10 Best Books About Financial Success for 2022, Part 2. In this Part 2 we will show you 10 Best Books for Financial Success 2022. 1. The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. The book is considered a New Thought classic. It explains how to get rich through the power of thought. The book has 3 parts: an introduction, the science of getting rich, and the riches of faith. The introduction explains that thoughts are things and that everyone has the power to create their own reality. The science of getting rich explains how to use the power of thought to create wealth. The riches of faith explains how to maintain a positive attitude and remain disciplined in the face of adversity. The book has been very popular over the years and has been reprinted many times. It remains an important work in the field of New Thought today. 2. The Art of Money Getting by P.T. Barnum. P.T. Barnum was one of the most successful businessmen of his time, and his book The Art of Money Getting provides readers with a window into his unique approach to business. Barnum was a master marketer, and he understood the power of publicity and spectacle. He was also unafraid to take risks, which led him to create some of the most successful businesses of his era. However, Barnum's true genius lay in his ability to read people and understand what they wanted. He had a talent for finding trends before they became mainstream, and he used this skill to build a vast empire. Barnum's book is still relevant today, and it continues to inspire budding entrepreneurs to think outside the box and follow their dreams. 3. The Cashflow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. The quadrant refers to the 4 types of business owners: employees, self-employed, business owners, and investors. Employees are people who exchange their time for money. They work for someone else and receive a paycheck. Self-employed people are those who work for themselves. They may be freelancers or have their own businesses. Business owners are those who own and operate businesses. They may have multiple employees and generate revenue through sales or services. Investors are those who use their money to make more money. They may invest in stocks, real estate, or other ventures. Kiyosaki argues that the best way to make money is to become an investor. By investing in assets, you can generate passive income and build your wealth over time. For the Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. The book's simple, yet effective wisdom has helped generations of readers to gain a better understanding of money and how to use it wisely. The Richest Man in Babylon provides common-sense guidelines for building wealth, preserving one's purchasing power, and achieving financial security. In addition, the book stresses the importance of leading a balanced life, something that is often difficult to do when chasing after material possessions. Whether you are just starting out on your financial journey or are well on your way to financial freedom, The Richest Man in Babylon is a must-read. 5 Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by Harv Eker. Harv Eker shares some interesting insights into the way that wealthy people think and operate. One key takeaway is that millionaires tend to see money as a tool, rather than an end goal. They understand that money can be used to create more wealth, and they are always looking for ways to invest and grow their resources. Another key point is that millionaires are not afraid of taking risks. They understand that in order to make big gains, you sometimes have to take big risks. This doesn't mean that they are reckless, but they are willing to take calculated risks in pursuit of their goals. Finally, millionaires also have a strong focus on personal development. They know that in order to achieve success, they need to continuously work on themselves and improve their skill set. By following these principles, anyone can begin to develop a millionaire mindset. 6. The 1-Minute Millionaire by Mark Victor Hansen and Robert G. Allen. The 1-Minute Millionaire is an inspirational book that tells the story of how anyone can become a millionaire. The book follows the journey of a young man named Jimmy, who starts with nothing and slowly but surely makes his way up the ladder of success. Along the way, he meets a number of people who help him, including a self-made millionaire, a successful entrepreneur, and a motivational speaker. Each one of them provides him with useful advice and guidance, and eventually he learns the secrets to becoming a millionaire himself. The book is full of useful tips and advice, and it is an inspiring read for anyone who wants to achieve financial success. 7. The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. The basic premise of the book is that if you change your thoughts, you can change your life. Peale advocates the use of positive thinking, visualization, and affirmations to achieve success. While some people may scoff at the idea of using positive thinking to achieve goals, there is scientific evidence that supports the effectiveness of these techniques. For example, studies have shown that people who envision themselves succeeding are more likely to actually achieve their goals. In addition, people who focus on positive thoughts and emotions tend to be happier and more resilient in the face of adversity. Whether you're looking to improve your life or just want a pick-me-up, The Power of Positive Thinking is worth a read. 8. Think Big by Ben Carson. Dr. Ben Carson tells the story of how he overcame poverty and racism to become one of the world's most celebrated neurosurgeons. Raised in a single-parent household in Detroit, Carson was determined to succeed despite the odds stacked against him. He achieved top grades in school and was admitted to Yale University on a full scholarship. After graduating from medical school, Carson went on to complete a residency at Johns Hopkins Hospital, where he pioneered several life-saving medical procedures. In addition to his groundbreaking work in medicine, Carson is also an accomplished writer and motivational speaker. In Think Big, he shares his inspirational story and offers readers practical advice on how to achieve their goals. For anyone seeking motivation or advice on how to overcome adversity, Think Big is a must-read. 9. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. John C. Bogle shares his simple yet effective investing strategy that has helped millions of people build wealth over the long term. Bogle's philosophy is based on the idea that, while it is impossible to achieve perfection in the market, it is possible to achieve market returns by investing in a low-cost index fund and holding it for the long term. While this may not sound exciting, Bogle's track record speaks for itself. Over a 20-year period, his Vanguard 500 index fund outperformed 99% of actively managed mutual funds. In addition, Bogle's approach is incredibly simple to implement and requires very little maintenance. For these reasons, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing is an essential read for anyone who wants to build wealth through investing. 10. The Essays of Warren Buffett by Lawrence A. Cunningham. The book includes dozens of essays in which Buffett discusses his investment philosophy and offers advice for other investors. One of the key themes of the book is the importance of patience when making investments. Buffett argues that it is often better to wait for the right opportunity than to make a quick decision. He also emphasizes the importance of diversification, cautioning against putting all of your eggs in one basket. The book is full of gems like these, and it provides an insightful look into the mind of one of the world's most successful investors. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, The Essays of Warren Buffett is sure to offer something of value. All of the books listed above offer valuable insights into how to achieve success in various areas of life. Whether you're looking to improve your finances, boost your self-confidence, or learn about investing, there's a book on this list for you. So pick one up today and get started on your journey to success. If you're looking for more inspiring videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel.